Do you want to learn how to grow avocados in abundance and the best tasting ones? Well, make sure to stick around and watch this video as I will cover everything you need to know behind growing avocados in your garden. I'll be planting this new addition into my garden this year, which is the Brogdon avocado. This avocado variety has become more popular over the years as it has a very deep black, thin skin and a very rich in oils flesh. I got to try this avocado variety last year and it has been my all-time favorite variety. So I decided to go ahead and add one into my garden this year and I'm super excited to do so. So now let's plant it. So coming to point number one is you want to make sure you choose a location that is sunny. Avocados in general require 5 to 6 plus hours of direct sunlight in order to thrive. Point number two is you want to make sure that the soil they're planted in is well draining, aerated, and fertile. Now, this is important when it comes down to any type of fruit tree because they can't sit in wet feet, they can't grow in compacted soil, and they require lots of feeding to have them produce fruit. Point number three is you want to make sure you dig a big enough sized hole. And this is really important because you don't want to force the roots into a small hole that you digged. So it's really important that you dig a hole that is slightly bigger than the nursery container. I usually lay the tree on its side and I tap the sides to loosen up the root ball a little bit. From here, I lift it and start slightly tapping the container. And just like that, no roots were harmed, the root ball is still intact, and it's in the ground. Before adding your top dress, it's important you add a biotone starter fertilizer into the soil so it can have some beginner-friendly nutrients already in the soil mixed in for it to start growing and establishing into its new habitat. So I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle a bit on the sides. Now top dress. Now, after planting, I highly recommend you to make a soil ring around the root ball. Now, this is really important, and I recommend everyone to do this with newly planted trees as it helps the trees get properly watered. So whenever rain falls or whenever you water it, the water will stay in this little area in the middle, which will allow the roots to be properly hydrated and your tree will stay happy. And speaking of watering, it's really important you give it a good drink of water after planting. Fruit trees, when they're recently planted, are very vulnerable to lots of common pests and disease in your area. So if you see any signs of a pest or disease, treat it as soon as you can so you can limit the amount of damage the tree goes through. You do have to prune your trees, and this is highly important, especially if you're working with a smaller garden like myself in this case. You have to maintain your trees pruned so it doesn't overrule your entire garden. And usually pruning is a rule of hand for all trees no matter the size they're growing in. Now, pruning your avocado trees is usually done right after their fruiting season. So as soon as all the fruit is off the tree, that is your time to prune the tree. Now, the rule of hand is usually to take 1/3 of the tree off because you want to make sure you leave room for the new growth when it comes down to the flowering season the upcoming year. Because usually flowers come with new growth. So you want to make the space for that new growth to come. So buckle up and get ready to harvest bucketfuls of avocados from your garden year after year.